Crude oil showed signs of little recovery after starting on a bearish note. We have seen it hitting the lows at 66.5, and I have mentioned several times that 66.5, 66.8 should be a good support zone. Now, trying to trade beyond 67.3, 67.6, while natural gas, after giving a strong gap up opening, has erased some of the gains and has come down towards 3.1. So, now what to expect from oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis, arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with loss. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and proper logic for you to take a trade. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friends, before leaving the video, press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment as well. Let's start first oil, followed with gas. Watch till oil on the hourly charts. You can see, look at the decline here, and after staying here on the zone, it is again dropped. But see, these two lows almost identical. Those slightly lower lows are seen, but again a recovery is on the cards. And now you can see a greater resistance is observed between 20 and 50 period moving average. Very important for it to break beyond 67.3, 67.6 zone, and then 68. If these two levels are taken, the next level I will be looking forward to is 68.4, 68.6, and 69. So these two levels till 69 are very crucial. Any breakout, any move beyond 69 is a good sign for the bulls for a stronger recovery. Moving averages right now are bearish. The stochastic, MACD, RSI all are showing a bit of rise here. On the two, the observation is similar. See, prices stayed around 20 period moving average, then a dip, and now retraced towards 20 period. So now wait for it to stay above 67.6. Then next target is towards 68, and then 68.4, 68.6. Beyond this is where little rise, and then 69. If it breaks, consider this for a reversal. Also look, the bearishness is getting diminished here. That is what you can see from these two moves, and thus a possibility of a recovery is very much there. Stock IC entering into overbought zone. MACD trying to converge crossover. This crossover can lead to reversal and rise here. See, three dips here, and every dip is followed with a rise here. Likewise, this time it is returning from the middle of it. Possibility of it hitting higher highs exists is strong. RSI has also recovered a bit. On the 3 hour chart, see higher highs, lower lows. Also remember now 66 point. If that is the level, if it takes or trades below, you can expect it to drop further. So below 66.8 is where we can say slight bearishness towards 66.5 can be seen, and this zone between 66.8 and 66.5 is going to provide a very good support. See what is happening here. After this dip, a reversal sign has appeared, retracement, then couple of sideways, and then again a bullish candle. So possibly the next candle might also be a greener one, where it could try to take the prices above 68, and then in fact move towards 68.5, 68.6 zone, breaking beyond which further bullishness may prevail. The stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy. The RSI is rising. On the 4 hour, similar observation here. We can see a little bit of swing here, and now wait for it to just trade above 67.6 and 68. Now let me warn you here, till 69 is not taken for the day, you should not be treating oil as bullish. This is very clear. Only and only if it trades above 69, it is to be treated as bullish, where we can expect it to move beyond 70, 70.5 levels, and in fact higher is possible. But till then, you can expect that it can reverse and it can crash again. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. So till 69, you have to keep a close watch. And if you are taking a position at 67.6 for a buy, you have to be careful. You have to place your stop loss at cost, and you have to trail your stop loss as well. Stochastic rising. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. The RSI is rising here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, the observation is similar. See, it is hit the lows and it is trying to recover, and as how it passes or trades above this zone, that is 67.6, you can expect it to recover more, and then we can expect a move towards again 20 period moving average. Now look at the formation here. What is happening also, you should notice on the daily charts that, see, oil has been trading in this sideways box here, where 72.4 and this 67 zone is a sideways zone. This is the box from which oil has to come out of, and any drop below 66 and 64.8 is a clear sign that now more crash can be expected. While till it respects this zone, we should not be treating this as a clear direction for oil. Let it break out beyond 72.4. That will confirm the rally again. Stochastic oversold. See MACD right now trading bearish. The RSI is hit the bottom as well. So looking at this, before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swift-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now our buying entries are very clear. 67.6 levels, expect 68, 68.4, 68.6 the next, and then 69, 69.2. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 70.4, 71, 71.2 as the next target, and then 72.4 in the near future is possible. Right now the momentum is not appearing to be strongly bullish, but yes, as and how it moves away from 69 and trades on the upside breaking beyond 70, certainly more bullishness will prevail here. On the downside, take a selling entry at 66.8, expect it to move towards 66.5. Now this complete zone between 66.8 66.5 is a greater support zone. Below that 66 66.2 levels will appear. If it trades below this zone, stay short for 65.5 64.8, and if that is taken, it is going to crash strongly, where in the near future we will be looking forward to 63.5 and 62 levels as well. But right now I will say, till it stays in the zone, do not treat this as either bullish or bearish. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas, after starting with a strong gap up opening, hitting the highs here at 3.16 as starting to retrace, it has come down towards the support zone or 20 period moving average. Yes, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It is now coming back to it. Now where first, if it trades about 3.13 3.16 zone, you can say more bulls will be there. I will be looking forward to 3.2 3.24, and I have shared several times, if natural gas moves beyond 3.24, the next target is very clear at 3.5. Stay bullish there. But right now I can see a bit of hesitation here, and now see it is erasing some of the gains from the gap up opening today. It can try to fill this gap. This is also possible. So if you see it is staying below 3.0706 levels, you can stay short for 3.04 3.02, and if it drops below 3.02, you can expect more bearishness prevailing here. Stochastic has come to an bottom. Look at the MACD. After retracing here, it is now crossed over, trading with divergence. This appears that it can try to trade with slight bearishness here. RSI has dropped. It has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see a waterfall is seen, and it is willing to erase this or fill this gap. Possibilities there. It can keep moving towards 3.05 and in fact $3 levels. Very good support is seen till towards $3 levels here, and these are going to remain the prime support. Only bearishness in natural gas for the week, for the day, is below 2.9. Mark the levels here. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. We can expect a move towards 3.0406 and in fact $3 levels. Possibilities there. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is in green, trying to converge, crossover. RSI has dropped here. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. The new candle is started, but looking at the fall here and increasing body size suggests that more bearishness will prevail. And once it stays below 3.07, you can take a selling entry. Expect 3.045, 3.04 as the first target, which is going to be a very good support, and below that we can see a move towards 3, and in fact lower levels are possible towards 2.98 and 2.94. Stochastic dropping sharp. MACD is still in green. Remember, it is still not turning bearish. It is just trading in green. RSI is almost trading at a flat zone, trading in a comfortable levels. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see starting with a gap up. Now prices are looking down. It appears that it can erase all the gains, all the gap it can fill here, which means a move towards 3.0504 has to be there. And in fact it can erase this candle, erase this gain as well, moving towards 2.95. There is a possibility for this to happen. So you have to watch out with caution. Only bullishness today, only buying entry today is above 3.1 to 3.14 zone. If it trades above 3.1 to 14, you can say more bullishness should be seen. See, stochastic is bullish here looking upwards, while the MACD is also bullish looking upwards. So the indicators still have room for further rise, but I sense that it is trying to fill some of the gap it has delivered today. And looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 3.07 levels. Expect 3.0504 as the first target, $3 levels, 2.98 levels as the second, and then below this 2.9 for 2.9. Now, only bearishness in natural gas for this week is below 2.9 levels. As long as it respects 2.9, do not treat this as bearish. On the upside, I will recommend now a buy at around 3.12 levels. Expect 3.1516 as the first target. If it stays above 3.16, stay bullish for 3.2, 3.24, and beyond 3.24, sky is wide open. You can look forward to the next target at 3.5 very, very, very soon. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch that. Thank you.